The number one finding is that diesel exhaust exposures are carcinogenic to humans, a group 1 carcinogen, the highest level you can possibly have. Also associated with diesel exhaust is a linkage to bladder cancer, but that's a much lower linkage. We also reviewed gasoline exhaust and the carcinogenicity of gasoline exhaust, and there was very little human evidence that was sufficient to support a known human carcinogen clause, so that went much lower. That's a possible human carcinogen, group 2B. We would recommend that they look at these findings, look at the science associated with the findings, and use them to make reasonable decisions about lowering exposure to diesel exhaust in their particular localities.